Millions of people in Central Africa depend on bushmeat as a source of protein and livelihood. This dependence is unsustainable and is fueling a cycle of poverty and food insecurity. On top of that, the hunting of wildlife is risky and has already resulted in pandemic diseases such as HIV and SARS.
My name is Aristide Kamla. I'm a wildlife ecologist with Global Viral Forecasting Initiative Cameroon and principal investigator for this project.
We've been working on disease surveillance in Cameroon for more than 10 years by collaborating with rural hunters, collecting animal and human samples, and educating communities of the dangers of disease spillover from wildlife. Because of our relationships with these communities and our deep understanding of the issues, we've developed a bold idea to reduce bushmeat hunting, minimize the risk of infectious disease, and tackle the cycles of poverty. Our pilot will take place in two of our sites, one urban and one rural. In the rural site, we will choose 25 hunter households and in exchange for cessation of hunting, we will provide them with starter domestic and wild animals, veterinary assistance, and work with them to maximize production and marketability. In urban Cameroon, where bushmeat is in high demand due to taste and cultural preferences, we will scale up existing wild animal breeding. Our hope is to create a sustainable market that lessens the demand for traditionally hunted meat. So we are proposing to integrate three normally separate fields: conservation, health, and poverty alleviation. We believe that this integrated and innovative approach will reduce both disease emergence and rural poverty in a way that is win-win for people and for wildlife.